Hey, good morning everybody. So you want to know how to make more money with your YouTube videos. I'm going to show you right now. So go to your YouTube channel, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on YouTube Studio. Hey, thanks for viewing my video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. YouTube Studio. Let's see where I'm at here. Studio, you're going to click on videos over here in the left hand side where it says videos. Then it's going to take you to your videos. So then when you get in here to videos, what you're going to look for, it has to be 10 minutes or longer. Your video needs to be 10 minutes or longer. So I know I try to make my videos less than 10 minutes, but I found out this little trick. So you want to scroll down and you want to find a video that is more than 10 minutes that you want to work with. Okay, I'm gonna work with this one right here. This is finishing the transom on my boat. So I'm gonna click on the title right here. That's going to bring up the analytics. Now there's a lot of things you can do in here if you're not familiar with Studio Beta. And you can go over here and you can add cards, you can add end screens, but we want more advertisement so we can make more money. So what we're going to do, you can also play your video from here, right here, which is cool. But right here where it says monetization over here to the left, right above my picture, monetization, you're going to click on monetization. Now you're going to see all these options here. Make sure your monetization is set to on. If it's not on, click that, click on. And then you want to make sure that everything is checked that you want, so you get the most out of your video. But if it's over 10 minutes, and this is for only videos that are over 10 minutes, has to be at least 10 minutes. If it's over 10 minutes, then you'll get some more options down here. You'll get before video, you'll get during video, and a new one they've added is after video. After video right here. So you want to check that box, and then after you check that box, make sure you go up to the right hand corner up here where it says save and click save. Now at the end of that video there's going to be another advertisement or two, and if people are watching your videos all the way through, then you will know you'll be making a little bit more money on those videos. The advertisement to the end of your video, just like I showed you, so you can make just a little bit more money on YouTube. So this is Harold. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. This is Harold signing off, baby. I'll catch you later.